Hello again, I am back, and this time I am making a fabric jar opener. This thing is sweet, it has rubber on the back and a cute little fabric on the front. Alright, let's get started. The items you will need will be a rubber shelf liner, outer fabric, and a magnet or extra fabric for your hook. So you're going to start by cutting your fabrics. You need one square fabric, or any shape really. I would make it as big as your hand because normally you're going to be opening something that's about that size, I would think, or less. So you're going to need one of the shelf liners. Next, you're going to cut two outer fabrics, the same exact size. Trim off any of the extras that you have. Then you're going to lay your outer fabric down face up, your shelving liner down. And then you're going to also put another piece on the top of that face down. So you're kind of going to sandwich in your shelf liner. And then you're going to pin that closed. Next, you're going to sew around the entire thing, leaving an opening at the bottom. Cut off the excess parts. And then turn it inside out. Or right side out. Guess that's what it's called. Then you're going to add your magnet in here, and I didn't have an actual magnet, so this is why I chose the hanger part next. But you would put that in at this step and then sew it shut. And I just sewed all the way around the entire thing. Next, you're going to push the magnet to the corner and do an X through the center. This will stop the fabrics from shifting when you're using it. And then cut off your little strays. And that is what it looks like. Very simple, super fast, easy project. Here's another one that I did the hook, which I think worked a lot better for me. But if you had some stronger magnets, it would be really cool. And this is demonstrating on how to use it with our off-brand spaghetti sauce. So this is a win for sure. It works like it's supposed to, and I think it's kind of cute. I mean, my sewing isn't the greatest here, but it is pretty cute, I would say. Alright guys, thanks for watching this winter fail. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks, bye-bye.